Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 254 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about grounding yourself in the present moment. When your mind wants to wander to the past or race ahead to the future, come back here to now. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body where it rests. Notice the ground beneath you. Let your awareness settle into this very moment. Now, say to yourself, I am here. This moment is enough. And I am grounded. Keep breathing gently. Let this simple awareness steady you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of grounding with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.